Hello, this is Jonathan with Kiko Battery Repair Products. Today we'd like to talk to you about our Elim Dent glue gun and give you some info on the features that it has. It is a battery powered glue gun. As you can see, this one is a Milwaukee battery. We have them with 3 different batteries: Milwaukee, Dewalt batteries or Makita. So it accepts all the glue sticks that we use in our PDR or pull to paint industry. You have on-off button. You have a high and a low. Why are these there? Well, high or low temperature you can use in winter on high all the time, almost, because of the cold environment. But in summer, of course, when it's already hotter in the shop or outside when you're working mobile, you can put it on low and it's more enough to use your glue gun or your preferred glue. We also have a USB on-off switch here, and so you can charge your phone while you're on the move. Interesting to use. If for any reason you forgot your switch batteries or your different other batteries, your spare ones, you can use this cable that's delivered with the gun, and you can use it here on the back side, connect it and use it in a 12-volt electrical plug and use your gun and start glue pulling. So if you want to know more about our glue guns, check them out on our website kikotabs.com or check out the link below.